Welcome to 25 Dagmar Street on the Range. This incredibly cute gable home sits on over 1,000 square metres.
It is located very close to the Mater Hospital and St. Peter's School. Let's take a quick tour together.
I think most buyers are going to be very pleasantly surprised with the size of this home. It's quite deceiving from the street. Inside, we've got an open plan lounge area with beautiful vertical timber tongue and groove walls, bay windows, and the main bedroom is oversized with a very generous ensuite.
This home is loaded with character. You've got the perfect mix of classic and modern, but my favourite part about this property is the multiple entertaining areas on offer, which is perfect for spending time with friends and family.
25 Dagmar Street on the Range really feels like a property that you could call home.
If our team can help you own this fantastic home, get in touch today. We would love to help you out.